Research essays versus analysis essays. What are their similarities and distinctives? A part of the 2-minute answer series. In analysis writing, writers are concerned with the primary source and are not required to devote themselves to surveying, engaging, and critiquing secondary sources. In research writing, writers are just as concerned with engaging secondary sources as they are the primary one. Research writers devote much of their essays to surveying, engaging, and critiquing secondary sources. Analysis writing is a question-answer genre which seeks to solve interpretive issues in a text. Research writing is a problem-solution genre which seeks to solve lingering problems in a field. This is what a generic research essay will look like with all of its generic features. Adapt this generic form for your specific research project. Both analysis and research essays entail an introduction with a prelude, question, problem, thesis, and advanced organizer. However, research essays require writers to engage scholarly perspectives in a literature review that summarizes what scholars have argued about the question and problem. Unlike analysis essays, research essays should include a counterargument section that identifies opposing scholarly positions, as well as key representatives of those positions, summarizes or quotes their positions, and then evaluates or critiques their positions. Although both an analysis and research essay include a core argument section, research writers uniquely situate their perspective in conversation with other scholars, interacting with the insights and objections raised by those scholars. Both analysis and research essays include a conclusion, although a research essay will likely devote more attention to the research problem and the contributions the essay made towards solving that problem. This is what a generic analysis essay will look like with all of its generic features. Note the absence of a few generic features of research writing. Now, as you can see, the primary difference between an analysis essay and a research essay is that the research essay situates its argument in conversation with other scholars in the introduction, counterarguments, and core argument, whereas the analysis essay does not. Remember that research writing is analysis writing, placed in conversation with other scholars' analyses, couched in terms of a problem, situated among various perspectives, and defended against objections.